So today we're going to be unboxing the Shotgun Blast Zombie with the Zombie Blaster. Now, in case you didn't watch the last video, I found this animatronic at the Spooky Swap Meet. Halfway to Halloween Spooky Swap Meet. If you didn't watch that video, there should be some sort of card up there. Anyways, now let's take a look at the box before we get to the unboxing. Zombie Blaster included. And we got 2 batteries required. Wait, but down there it says it needs 4 batteries. So that's a bit confusing. Do you need 2, 4, or 6 batteries? Let's take a look at the sides here. Oh, yep, he actually falls down. I actually seen a demo video of this. Again, very confusing. 2, 4. Do you do your part to end the zombie apocalypse? Zombie falls backward when shot. Light up bullet wound. Disturbing audio. Zombie Blaster sound or step pad activated. External speaker compatibility to maximize the terror. External speaker sold separately. Watch me work. I think there is another Halloween store out there that actually puts the QR codes on the boxes. Anyways, let me go get the batteries real quick. I don't know how many it needs. Alright, I got 6 just in case. Anyways, let's open this up. Just imagine you open up a box and you see this. Oh, and here's the pew pew gun. I might have to use these zip ties for my monitor just in case it breaks again. Now, where do you insert this? What is this? Alright, we got what I assume is the adapter. Alright. Don't know what this is. C. Two very heavy bean bags is what I assume that is. Got that. B. And then you got this. You can't forget about the instructions. Okay. This is how I'm gonna lay it out, right here. Alright? Whoa, how did I forget about this? It's another one of these. Apparently I'm stupid. 2 AAA. And it says down here AA. Okay, see, here's the thing. I'm kind of missing a part. Shut up with the skill issue. I'm kind of missing a part. I'm missing the foot removal key, which I guess if I were to accidentally place a foot or whatever where it doesn't belong, I'd have to use that. Yeah, I'm kind of missing that, so I can't make any mistakes, all right? So if I make a mistake, I'm just screwed. Or maybe I can use this to maybe like push it out, but that's the best I'm gonna get, all right? Anyways, let's get started with the setup, shall we? All right, step 1 says insert back foot and side feet into the bottom of module. All right, we just gotta get the module. There's the module. Now I just gotta get the 2B. Okay, here's B and here's B. I just need C. Where's C? There's C. Now, how do we do this? Does it say? Oh, it does. All right, C goes which way? Is it this way? Yep, seems about right. That works. Kind of. It doesn't really. It doesn't. It's kind of working. Or whatever. I'm just gonna hold that in place. Just get the B parts in there, you know, get the B. Oh wait, I'm inserting it the wrong way. There you go, that looks pretty good. Let's try the other. Okay. I can't make a mistake because I don't have the foot removal key. So if I make a mistake, I'm either done or I'll use this, but that's, yeah. Match, okay, I already did that. Important, make sure each foot is flush with module. To remove foot, okay. I mean, this is, you can read it for yourself if you want. I'm not gonna read that whole thing. Insert front foot with weight into the bottom of the module. Match A to A. Where's A? Is this it? Is the, oh, the beanbag one, this part. Okay. Because of it being heavy, this is going to be a little tricky. How do we insert it with the first two? Was it a little sum like this? Yes, it was. All right, boom. I think we're done with the feet, right? Okay. All right. Step 3 says insert bottom pole into the module. Match D to D. D. Does it matter which? Okay, I guess it doesn't. It does matter which way it's facing. There we go. Step 4 says insert top pole into the bottom pole. Match E to E. Just gotta match the E. There we go. All right. Step 5 says attach body to top pole. I almost skipped that step. Okay, just gotta get the body, find the pole from underneath. Hold on. It's covered in the shirt, so I gotta like find it. Where is it? Where's the pole that's inside of here? Houston, we have a problem. Never mind, I found it. It's just gonna be really difficult. Alright. I got a hold of the pole that's inside. Now I just gotta be very careful when attaching this. Gotta be very careful. Very, Careful, gotta do a little. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh. That kind of works. I just need to make sure it's flush. All right, step number 6. Insert wire from underneath clothing into the wire coming from module. All right, you just got to make sure the colors are in the correct order. That's not the correct order. Because if it wasn't in the correct order, then it would not work properly. And we don't want that. All right, what is step number 7? Connect the adapter. All right, yep, got it right here. Just gotta make sure that fits. Or insert 4 AA batteries. Oh wait, there's a setup video? We already beat you to it. Not really, you really didn't beat me to it. Technically you didn't. Let's see, where's the switch? Where's the switch? Oh, it's back here. Right there. Alright, what does the next step say? Alright, step 8. Turn switch on top of module to sensor to operate in sound activation mode. Make a loud sound clap to activate. Turn switch to on to activate shotgun blast zombie with zombie blaster. Alright, you know what? We're going with on. Gotta make sure it's not cranked up too loud, you know? This next step is confusing, well, for me anyway. Attach hook and loop located underneath the clothing to front foot with weight and back and side feet. Now, I assume that means this thing you just gotta do something like that. It's gonna detach. You know, something like this. Get out of the way. Like something like this. And then something like this. It's not attaching. All right. The next one involves putting the batteries in here. Warning. Using or modifying the zombie blaster in any way but for which it's intended may be unlawful and punishable by law. This product may be mistaken for a firearm by law enforcement officers or others, altering the coloration or markings required by state or federal law or regulation so as to make the product to look more like a firearm is dangerous and may be a crime. Brandishing or displaying the product in public may cause confusion and may be a crime. What do you say we try to... the box lied to me. It said that the batteries weren't included. Well, unless we're talking about the people who sold me it at Spooky Swap Meet, then yeah, sure, you know what? I was about to insert my own batteries anyway, but... Wait. Okay, wait, let me play the video back and see how they were inserted. Okay, so was it the one on the left? And the one on the right? Where's the lid? Alright, I even adjusted the volume and everything. Alright, let's test this out. Bang. Yeah, you know, when I saw it coming back up, I just thought of a hilarious fail idea for this particular animatronic. Just it clicking and trying to get back up, and like it would try to get back up, but then midway through just fall back down. Kind of like a lazy animatronic. Alright. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. If you don't want to miss a video from me, subscribe and turn on notifications. The Discord server for ages 13 and above is in the description, and so is the Shorts channel. And I'll be posting more future Halloween content sometime in mid-July. Don't miss it. I'm also going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's VR Curse of Dreadbear Live. Either this August or this October, maybe in fall break. You know what, maybe in fall break I'll be playing that game that I've been waiting so long to come out. And maybe one of the boots will be talking about that game at Midsummer Scream. Who knows? So thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.